Rutles' story is a legend, a living legend. A legend that will live long after lots of other living legends have died. Tonight, we are extremely proud to present the semi-legendary life story of the Prefab Four, Dirk, Nasty, Stig, and Barry, who made the 60s what they are today, the fabulous Rutles.
From these streets, very close to the cavern Rutland, came the fabulous Rutland sound, created by the Prefab Four, Dirk, Nasty, Stig, and Barry, who created a musical legend that will last a lunchtime. They were discovered by their manager, Leggy Mountbatten, in a lunchtime disco very close to these streets. Their first album was made in 20 minutes. The second took even longer. Tonight, we examine the legend of the Rutles. We look at their lives, their loves, their music. We examine some of the problems that made them what they are today. And we shall also be asking some of the people who worked with them whether they were really the sort of lovable people they were made out to be. We shall be asking many people who knew them what they were really like.
When I fell for you, I didn't need a shove. Now that we are two, it all adds up to love, love life, make up your mind, love life in your own time, love life, hey, little, got little, piggy in the middle, I feel rich, I feel full, I'm in doubt, I feel sure, I find love, I must be in love. Time goes by as we all know, naturally. People come and people go, naturally. Let's be natural. Ever since the world began, let's be natural. Every woman, every man, let's be natural. As followed nature's plan, let's be natural. Oh yeah.
Yes, tonight, we examine the entire legend of the Rutles. But where did the story start? The answer is right here.